Hey, what's up, Brent from Brenspeed? Today is a good one. 18 GT over 900 real horsepower. We're going to watch a dyno poll, so don't worry about that. If you have any questions, of course, at the end, you can leave a comment. I have Doug with me. We're going to look at the engine compartment. It's an 18 GT Whipple Gen 5, set of headers, E85, and a lot of boost. I have Doug. Let's go check it out. All right, so we do have a theme on this car. It's a Harley theme. Why? Well, this particular client had a Harley. He wanted a few parts on this car painted to match his Harley, so we are going to take a look at that. But it's a manual transmission E85 car, 3.375 pulley. It's about 15.4 pounds of boost at redline, pretty much 14 across the board, but it is a 6 setup. Doug, come down here and take a look. So we have nice custom painted. This is what we do here. We can match whatever you want. Gen 5 Whipple, of course the big 132 throttle body. We are running a set of ID injectors, 4 return style fuel system, cooling mods, of course. So we have the big Adler radiator, rear cylinder cooling kit, billet oil pump gears, all the sweetness to make that kind of power, and of course, a set of long tube headers, bi-stainless power. But you know, if you have any questions about this, open those details. I'll put links to all the parts I'm talking about right here. But for now, check out this dyno pool. All right, we're going to check out these numbers. Then I want to go look at the brakes. We painted the calipers on this car. If you wonder what it costs to get installed, what's it cost to build a car like this, simply email quote@brenspeed.com. And we typically always have the Whipples in stock. But Doug, look at these numbers. 918, real horsepower, peaking at 7,700, Dynojet SAE, torque, stellar, 679, peaking at 5,800. And look at this graph. So smooth all the way across the board. Big power. Like I said, the boost with that pulley on 85, it peaks at about 15.4, but you're running like 14 and a half, 14, pretty much across the board. Sweet car right here. You would have no idea looking at this. This is a 900 real horsepower S550. So we had the, if you can see them, we had the calipers painted to match the Harley theme. We also did his shifter knobs. He has a little bit on the interior to match that, as well as that Gen 5 Whipple right there. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have any questions, leave that comment. Again, quote@brenspeed.com. What's something like this cost to get built? And of course, we keep these superchargers in stock. We can ship it right to your door. We're located in Indiana. Thanks for watching.